Welcome back to your tutorial videos for Butterfly. This one is the third video and the first one for Butterfly for Dynamo. And I'm going to show you how to get Butterfly installed on your machine. For that, I'm going to start from opening Revit, and this is important because, again, as I said, like we want to run everything as an admin. So I just run it as an administrator. I have tested in Revit 2017 and 16, and it should work fine on both versions while the Revit is opening. So I just go ahead and open doesn't really matter, construction template, just some file. Install. If you're using 2016, then Dynamo will be under plugins. What do we have? Plugins or add-ins, sorry. But in 2017 is under manage here, and then you can click on Dynamo, and you have to use version 1.2 or higher to be able to use Butterfly. Version 09 won't work, so version 1.2. And then here I go in packages and search for package. It will take a while to sync with server, but then as soon as it does it, you can type Butterfly, and here we go. So you can just download the latest version, and the latest version right now is 0.10. Hopefully we don't have to revise it early. So for a while it will be 0.10. So just press OK, and it will attempt to install the package. So the reason for that is because Butterfly is using some Ladybug stuff there. Like I already have Ladybug installed, so it's trying to install Ladybug 2. It's just fine. Let it install both. So they're both installed. If you don't have Mesh Toolkit, which I just uninstalled, then you have to install Mesh Toolkit 2, because Mesh Toolkit is the one that we're using under the hood for all the meshing stuff in Dynamo. So you have to install this one too, and there has been a very recent release to fix the normals. I mean, in Butterfly we calculate the normals ourselves, but still it's good to upload if you don't have the newer version, if you have the version from 2016. Okay, let's download this one. This will take a little bit more. I found you, yes. Okay. I hope it works fine. Let's see. So it's downloading. I have 1.2. Okay, installed. Now we can clear all this. Go here. Let's open a new file. Here you should see Butterfly. And if you didn't have Ladybug, you will see Ladybug down here too. And this is Mesh Toolkit. That is the one that Butterfly is using. Let's go and create a simple butterfly geometry and see if everything works fine. So just click here. For creating a butterfly geometry, I need name, geometry, and that's the minimum that I need. So rectangle. I just do a very simple surface just to make sure this is running fine. This is the name, and then for geometry, I will make a rectangle by width and length. This is good. And put a number here. It's not going to create it because it needs a plane. Let's put X. Is it the create a plane in XY? That's what I need. It goes here, so this is all good. Then I need to create a patch. Patch. And something that I have experienced in Dynamo, in some versions, like if you connect a surface to geometry, it will crash. So I always create a poly surface. Probably this is something that in the next release we have to just have it as default. You can have one surface. Oh, you need another surface. So there was another way to do this. Also, okay, this is the one. Just do this here, delete, and let's connect the geometry and see if everything goes fine. So because Dynamo doesn't have a well-developed kind of workflow for you to give a good warning in custom nodes, what we do, there is an error report output always that you can check. So everything is good, and now we have our geometry, butterfly geometry for Dynamo created, and the name is rectangle. So we're good to go basically. So, and the installation was successful. Thanks for watching, and I will be doing 2 more videos to show you how to set up an outdoor and indoor analysis in Dynamo using Butterfly.